We're at the beautiful Havasu Lake City.
At the London Beach Bridge.
Yeah, and I'm mic'd up. I got a little DPA on my chest. Paul's he's not mic'd up yet, but there's a fair bit of wind out. We've got a 60-60 and a 60-61. They're both live right now, so you should be able to discern. And we're going to see what the best way to mount them up is between the Invisible Lav Covers, the original ones, and the Invisible Lav Covers Fur Outdoor in this wind. And that is, what are we sitting at?
We do have right now 7 miles per hour. All right.
Okay.
Let's start with the 60-60, and we're gonna add that with the Fur Outdoor. You can tell what we got in the package here, Caleb?
Yeah, sure. So the Invisible Lav Covers Fur Outdoor comes with 30 mounts, pieces of tape. They come with 9 pieces of fur that are already cut to fit the tape in these little squares, and they come in 3 colors: white, beige, and black.
Well, you add the mic here and the stickiness, and then you put the fur on top of it. And we'll do like this, and then you can probably hear what I'm saying. And then you make a little loop like this. So that's the wind is coming from that direction.
You turn around,
and then we turn it. So that's the wind is coming from that direction.
You turn around,
and then we turn it.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
And how would you mount that?
I'll mount it directly on the skin.
Okay.
Taking the liner off. And then you can... Sorry, we're gonna take that. And then add it directly here. Alright. Is that better?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
So you're actually able to hear
I
what
mean,
I'm
under
saying
a t-shirt, that's going to protect from friction as well.
Yeah.
So
yeah. If you want to have some more friction, and this is making too much of friction, you can take the piece of fur and add it where the body and the shirt is meeting.
Yeah.
And it will lift up the shirt a little bit, and it will take a lot of the rustling away.
Okay.
I haven't done that right now. I'll show you how to mount the original ones.
Yeah.
On the 60-61. And
what does that come with?
It comes with 9 pieces of fabric here, and it's very transparent fabric, so it's very you get the optimal sound of the microphone.
And that's picking up a fair bit of the wind.
Right now? Yeah. But are you able to hear me from this one?
Can't tell the difference right now. I have to mute the channel, but
all right.
they're all open. Yeah, actually, we can switch to it. So this is hold that up, because that's a good comparison. So that's the 60-61 without wind protection, and that's the 60-60 that Paul's got mounted on his chest.
Yeah, right there.
So there's you can hear the difference.
So I'm gonna take the tape off the liner. Like that. They have been, so we have it here. You can see the mic is free here on both sides, and then you take the fabric out of it. You need to make sure that the side where the big holes are need to go in the front. So where the small holes are will go next to the microphone. Just because the surface is very soft. Put the pad on and make sure that all the edges are going down to the stickiness, and then you have it here. And this is directly, the wind is coming from this direction, and this is the other one.
It's also got a little bit of wind protection, yeah?
Yeah.
It's not a lot.
No. Directly the wind is coming from this direction, and this is the other one.
It's also got a little bit of wind protection, yeah?
Yeah.
It's not a lot. not?
No. But it's not made for the wind. It's made for having the best transparency and might very, very well underneath the clothes.
Okay.
So we're gonna add this one on as well. Take the line off. Thank you. And then I add an extra. This is allergic tested tape, so you are actually able to go directly on the skin. And you just have to make sure, I did not do that right now, but you have to make sure that the skin is dry. And then you can add it on and it will stay for a pretty long time. Well, I can also take a walk on the beach and then we can see how it goes. Yep. And then you can tell the difference.
Should we just go directly? I'll get suited up.
So I do have my little wind machine with me here, and we're still going 6 miles per hour here, so that won't be a problem, I think, at all. It's very beautiful out here, and we have 3 meters per second right now. It's not that bad. One of the mics is with the Fur Outdoor, and the other one is with the original ones. And then you're actually able to tell the difference between those two way of mounting, the fur and the original ones. It's very beautiful out here, and we have 3 meters per second right now. It's not that bad. One of the mics is with the Fur Outdoor, and the other one is with the original ones. And then you're actually able to tell the difference between those two way of mounting, the fur and the original ones. And this is the London Bridge Beach. And it's nice. We got some cool mountains up there.